Hello, bro. How are you? This is Alex from Sand Linking Good Mining Machinery. This is the 100 tons good water plant we're going to ship you today. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a very detailed video for every single part and the connection parts before we disassemble it. So when you receive the machine parts, you could do the reassembly by your own engineers if you don't require our engineers for the service. Okay? Here we go. Okay, we do from the back to the front. We will put the trommel as one piece into the containers. So when you receive the parts, the trommel is going to be one piece. Here's where the trommel connecting with the base, with the screw and the boots. Okay. Here, this is where you connect the vibrating silice to recover the coarser good. And these two valves are for connecting the electrical butterfly valves first, and then use the pipes to connect